Hey everyone! If you're looking to take your Instagram marketing to the next level, you're in the right place. Trust me, I've been through the hurdles, and now I'm here to share some game-changing tips that will skyrocket your brand's presence on Instagram. Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk content. You've heard it before, but I can't stress it enough. Content is king. But not just any content. It needs to be eye-catching, authentic, and most importantly, it should resonate with your audience. Start by understanding who your audience is and what they love. This isn't just about pushing your products, it's about connecting on a human level. Throw in some behind-the-scenes posts, employee spotlights, or even customer stories to make your brand feel more relatable. Next up, hashtags. These aren't just trendy, they're a necessity. But here's a pro tip: don't overdo it. Use a mix of high competition and niche-specific hashtags to maximize your reach and engage the right followers. And remember, always keep an eye on what's trending. Now, let's talk engagement. It's not enough to just post and walk away. Instagram is a two-way street. Spend time each day liking, commenting, and interacting with other accounts, especially with your followers. This not only boosts your engagement rates, but also builds a loyal community around your brand. And here's a secret weapon: Instagram stories. These are fantastic for real-time marketing and can drive significant engagement. Use polls, question boxes, and swipe-up links if you're eligible to interact dynamically with your viewers. Plus, with features like these, you can gather instant feedback and make your followers feel heard. Finally, don't forget about analytics. Instagram provides powerful tools to track what works and what doesn't. Use this data to refine your strategy continually. Notice when your audience is most active and adjust your posting schedule to match. It's all about placing the right content in front of the right eyes at the right time. There you have it. Implement these strategies and watch your Instagram game soar. Consistency is key, so keep at it, and you'll see your brand grow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future tips on digital marketing with Mohammed. Keep marketing smart and see you next time.